Hello traders, Sid here with another trade recap. Today is a Monday and it's a beginning of the week, and seems like it's Columbus Day today, and so most of the businesses, banks are closed today. So that's why there was no the relative volume in the market was pretty low, but even though we got something to play with. So today I took a trade on FLXN, FLXN Therapeutics, and this stock opened up from $5 to all the way to 9.88, and then moved to recent high of $10.08. So there was a new news associated with it. So Flexion Therapeutics shares shows 39% pre-market on the news to be acquired by Pacira Bioscience. I don't know how to pronounce it, but whatever. So it was a buyout, and usually when that happens, stock either stays stagnant, move up, or move down. So this was giving some action at the beginning. Selling volume was too high. So when I saw it is kind of like a following this descending trend line, I decided to go and short this stock for good reason, and I shorted that stock 500 shares at 965 and bought it back at 940. Made around $125. Then I took another stab at it during this chop zone, I believe, and I closed that trade instantly because it was kind of like forming this V-shape recovery, and based on my Friday's trade where I was kind of like chasing the stock, took multiple trades to get more money in, but ended up giving up half of my profit. So I didn't chase this stock. I finished the trading by that point and closed everything because it's not worth it. Whatever I got, I was happy about it. $122 is not a small profit. Small profit by some in someone else's perspective who make more than $1,000 in a single trade or something like that, but I'm not that big. So that being said, it was a good day, nice green day, small day but concise day. So there is nothing to complain about. Tomorrow all the businesses and bank will start working again, so let's see if we can get a good volume. Overall market was bearish. Every stock that I looked at was kind of like a bleeding more or less. So let's see what we get tomorrow. I hope tomorrow we will get some good action, and hopefully I will continue this green day run for rest of the days in this week. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, and trade cautiously. Do not follow anyone blindly. Do your own research, do your own studies, and once you understand everything, then jump into the trading world because it's quite risky, and probability of you losing money in each trade is basically 50-50. So you have to convert that probability from 50% of losing to more than 50% winning, and you can do that by learning about trading, building strategy, and understanding everything related to the trading. So I have to stop here now and see you again in next trade recap. Thanks for watching. Bye.